Okie dokie, welcome everyone. Yes, welcome. Let me just get that off as well. So today we're gonna be looking good for news actually. 1 second. So yeah, today in terms of news, consumer confidence, we have USD later on. In terms of this morning though, it's actually not too bad. We've got an MP member Pill speaks at 9:55 and sitting at 11, but for the most part there's nothing much really this morning, which is okay. So yeah, let me just move this on here.
Morning, Max.
Morning. Hope you're doing well.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get into this. So yeah, looking like we're still in a bit of a mess, but anyway, we'll go through it. So, daily time frame right now. The last one closed bearish or bullish, I think, depending on which one you're looking at. Let's look at Awanda. Oh no, they all closed. Oh yeah, the last one closed bullish as well. So yeah, looking like we're still messing around this area. Obviously, we tried to break the highs again, failed again. So we do know that it is a very, very big resistance. We've got to take that into account, especially for taking buys. Got to be a little bit careful. Just at these highs, but it's okay right now. We're just trying to stop this. There we go. So yeah, this is the daily flip. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour is bearish right now. Looking like in the 4-hour time frame, we are ranging pretty hard, right? If you take a look, if I just highlight this, this is the 4-hour support, this is the 4-hour res, and we're just ranging in this middle, right? So that's what we're doing really, which is okay as long as you can get over that fact that, you know, it is just ranging. Okay, let's take a look a little bit more. 1 second, I'm just trying to get this creaking noise again. In terms of the hourly time frame, yeah, you can see there's a lot of supports. You know, if you actually highlighted these hourly supports, one there. So theoretically, sells below these levels would be nice, even there, to be honest. But I think that might be stretching a little bit. So in terms of sells, I'm going to put my little support line there, because I think sells below 167.718 would be nice. Drop that down to the 30-minute. And the 15, we just make this a little bit more reasonable. So how big is this zone from there to there? That's 20 pips. That could be still okay. Sells below 167.700. To get down to at least 500. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think below there would be good. So let me just put this on over here. This on, sells below 167.694. Yeah, I think that would be good to continue at least down to 500 first of all, and then maybe runners could actually continue to 167 flat. That should be pretty good. Morning everyone in the YouTube. So yeah, that's it for sales. I think that's good. 10 wins on stream only, or on stream and off stream? No, off stream it's 13 wins, 2 losses, 1 break even, or 2 break even now. So yeah, in terms of trades for sales, I'd probably want them below there. Let's just take a look and see if there's any 4-hour supports there. Yeah, it's a big 4-hour support as well. So actually, in terms of that, so, you know, even though if I want sells there, 167.700, I know that is a very, very big support because it's on the 4-hour as well. So theoretically, I could just, you know, if I'm struggling to find an area, an entry to get me this push, I can just wait for a sell below 167.500. So I think I might just do that. Because I have a feeling, you know, if I'm trying to take a sell at this 700 level, even though it looks decent on the chart, that it could be good. the 4 hour could be painful. I'd rather get past the wicks and come down to this area. I think that'll be much easier. So I'm gonna do that. See if we get there. In terms of buys, yeah, we'll have to see, man. We're right at 168 right now. And we'll have to see. Looking like we're already making some support, maybe swooping the Asian lows here. In terms of areas you want to take trades on GJ for buys, they're getting still quite hard. 1 second, put that off. Yeah, I think potentially this is a resistance at 168,600. Let's look at the 4 hour as well. Yeah, big 4 hour res as well. But then there's also resistance there. So yeah, there's buys. The buys are no go, to be honest with you. The buys are no go. Even like above there. Above there, 16. Yeah, psychological level 169. So yeah, I don't really like the buys too much, to be honest. Only the sells I like on GJ today. Why are you looking back at support and resistances that far back? It makes no sense. What? The last day? The last day, brother. Tommy boy. Bring that negative energy somewhere else. I can't be asked your shite today. So yeah. 5 to 9. Beautiful. Let's take a look at Goldie. Wow, yeah, the Asian session didn't really do too much. Came back up to 1655, then back to 47, then just been ranging. We're still in this no trade zone, actually. Yeah. Okay, so yesterday we made this no trade zone. I think a lot of people, actually, let's just put this in the chat and be honest. Who got trapped in this gold area here? Who got trapped in here? I was watching it like a hawk. Who got?
Might have done.
Yeah, a lot of people in the chat are saying she got trapped by gold yesterday. Gold is very clean Asian. Might have been as well.
I blame Warren.
You blame Warren.
Yeah, I'm blaming Warren for my impulsive move. I did 2 paper trades, which I won, and then I took a real trade. And I looked. It wasn't a big trade by any stretch, but it was just like.
What time is that?
It was while you and Warren were having a bit of a chat, and he was you were saying no trade zone, and he was like, just took another trade. And I was like, I'm gonna take another fucking trade. Yeah.
So in terms of the daily here, the last daily closed bearish, which is good. Very, very nice. Could actually now, because we've rejected 1667, we may actually continue further down. Interesting. Ooh, interesting history. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour closed bearish as well. So looking pretty bearish actually on Goldie. And we're looking like we're starting to break below these lows of 1650. But could be interesting. But when we get to the hourly time frame, you can see it's a very, very clear and obvious range. So it's nothing that we have to jump into right now. Take a look at the 30, the 15. It's just the same thing, right? So same thing as yesterday. We've found our zone. It's very, very choppy. But below 1645, I think it's going to be quite clean to continue down. So maybe 1638 to the next support. We'll go break even, obviously, at 1642 there. But I think that's going to be the nicest area to take a trade at. You guys all agree with me on that as well. It's nice below. So got to wait patiently for that. Wix took a trade in Asian session. Oh, what trade did he take? Let's take a look on the 30. Was it this one here? Did he use these stops? So I can close you back in the range. Is it really that far back though? Actually, yeah, it's not far back. If you're swing trading, So if I'm scalping, I can't look back at the data. I have to look at the last couple of candles, not this. Or not this. So in that case then, Tom, if you can't look at the last day, what are you going to do in gold in this area? You tell me. Okay, so resistance is at 1653. And potentially the buys above could be okay. So look at the hourly as well. Yeah. And the zone's big enough, right? Yeah, it's 44 pips, so 1658, first target. Very, very nice. So I do think actually buys there could actually not be too bad either, which is good. So yeah, in terms of yesterday, guys, obviously London session we didn't take anything. In it, pre-NY I took a gold sell, which got break even. But in terms of the other trades, there was one trade that we missed because I was looking at Goldie and it was a GJM on the 5 minute. Where was it? Here, look at this M here. Oh. Retest the neckline all the way down. Clean cans at least to this support and then runners all the way down. That was bloody gorgeous. So that was the trade that was the nicest one yesterday. Let me just turn this down. In that way, you can draw limited zones. Just look at the most recent zones, bro. That's exactly what I've just done. I was talking about GJ and how the left-hand side is holding support on the 4 hour and the hourly around here. This is the most recent. This is the 21st of October, 22nd of October. It's all the same shit, brother. I feel jumping to conclusions for people's zones is just probably going to hinder you. Okay, I've taken 10 wins for a reason. Right, there was a good Black 10 example of why you don't trade into support. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 yeah. So that one there retested but didn't close below. The next one did actually, but then we rejected. Let's take a look then. Is this just happened now? Yeah, and you can see it's not clean. The 30-minute support's all here. The zone's tiny. So it's a good example, man. It really, really helps you avoid them. Just being a little bit careful in the zones. So some entries. I think this GJ one was alright. The top wick and then the flip, but it didn't mess around a little bit. I think it went into a little bit of profit, but then it came back up. So,
Max, I took a sketchy paper trade on GJ a bit earlier on the 15-minute broke below, and then the next one on that top wick.
Yeah.
That top wick.
Yeah, it's nice.
I don't know if is that sketchy or that was alright.
No, it's good.
Okay.
Very good. Yeah, because in the terms of like the minor support, you got a minor support there. Yeah. It's closed below. It's closed below this zone as well, so it should fill this zone up.
It had that big long wick to the left.
There?
That one. I was worried whether that was an issue. Like it's already kind of.
Well, no, it's an area to take profit or to close positions.
Okay.
But it's so all you got to do is.
It wasn't a massive range actually. It looked bigger than it kind of was.
Yeah, well, 15, 16 pips. You got the retest. Yeah. 11, 12 pips. As long as it's not like 7 pip, 6 pip range, then it's fine. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we've got to wait though. And this Goldie's still waiting for something, eh? Whole of yesterday, I saw at 2:30 at launch. Sorry, 2:45. We launched. Tapped 1653, 1654 again. Yeah. So we'll have to see what we can do.
Yeah, I took a little gold. I took a paper on Goldie this morning off the Asian low. On the 1 minute, just like.
Oh yeah. Just seeing if it holds.
Yeah. Well, it did quite well. Would have been great.
Yeah.
It would have been great.
Beautiful. Let's take a look in terms of OBs. Is there any OBs anywhere? I don't think there's too many. Nothing I can see in GJ there that's decent, apart from maybe this 5 minute here. But it's at support, so I don't really like that one too much. In terms of Goldie, one there for Asian. That could be okay. From 1654 to 1652. Did it tap that? Oh, I got very close to tapping it. So yeah. Let me just write this in here to make it no trade zone. The zone's hard. Let's take a look at EJ. Is EJ the same? Yeah, EJ is tough. I'm not going to look at that at the moment. EJ's tough. Yeah, I had a gold M on 5-minute entry. Was at 60.53. It was Asian session. Is that a double bottom on the 5? Yeah, boy. It's quite a big one. Oh, was that a W? Nah. Even the sells in the break of the 630. Yep, GJ sells at 630 were nice. 100%. 100%. Do. Why did your screen look so blurry? Let me take a look. Nah, I just need to refresh it, man. Just go back and click the HD button. It's fine. Go back and refresh. Consumer confidence as well. It's W on the 1-minute time frame. Ah, okay. And Goldie. So look like gold's coming up. Is there any trend lines that are reasonable? Is there one?
There's one that's about to push through that I've got from the top of the Asian high.
Yeah, I see it. It's from here.
It's coming up to, not going through.
So there's one there. I want to see if.
And there's that resistance at around 51.
Yeah. See if there's any higher ones for me. I think. I just want to leave this zone. I would rather wait a little bit longer and get a higher zone. Yeah, like that one up there.
Yeah.
Which is actually the one. Yeah, that's Asian high, so that could be okay. Congratulations for a new historical moment where you get an Indian PM. Very nice. I feel it's been told that, like, oh, it's very, very good for equality. It's like, yeah, he did go to private school and so it's still not the best, even if he is Indian.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see.
His wife's worth about 900 million. How can he know about?
I know. Madness, eh?
Yeah.
We'll see, though. I mean, we haven't, I think he's quite a good speaker. I think he is quite a good speaker, but I don't know. We'll see.
They all are at the beginning.
Yeah. Oh yes. So today, guys, we'll do this simulation at 2 o'clock. Try it then. I think it'll be much better then, to be honest with you, because you don't have to look at the charts. We could be chilling. Just a politician who chats bear. Yeah, we'll finish that gold one off, and then we'll do GJ ones tomorrow. Yeah, that's true. No, but his only party he picked trust because I swear it's because of that fucking video that he said, which is a bit shit. But to be honest with you, that I wish. I don't know. I wish they just didn't have to lie as much. Like, Boris with this fucking whole COVID stuff, and he had his little party and stuff. Like, I fucking had parties coming out my ass, but I just, what's it called? I owed up to it. Like, I'm fucking. When it was COVID, man, I was out every single night. I was not sitting in my room for fucking. When I'm 20 years old at uni, you're joking me. You can fuck right off. But why didn't he just say that? Like, why didn't you just say, guys, you stay indoors. If you can stay indoors, that's your own choice. But other people can do whatever the fuck they want. You should just say that. He obviously wanted to do that. He just didn't have the balls to do it because he wanted to keep the fucking old people happy.
I think there was like a general narrative, though, that everybody was kind of following.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. But yeah, you're right. No, the worst thing is like when they get found out that they just lie.
I know.
And say that they didn't do it, and it's like you did do it.
But I can't fathom how. I know so many people at uni who sat in their rooms all year doing nothing because of the rules. They've got no mates now. They've got a job working at home, so they're not going to get any new mates. They've had a shit uni time. Like, they've just fucking wasted it just because they stayed with the rules. Tell them to fuck off. So I did.
Mate, I'm like I'm like just turned 50, right? And like I've got friends that I went to kind of say like meet in the park or whatever, and they're like 3 meters, and I'm like, what? And they're like 3 meters. And I'm like, what? Do you remember that? Do you remember like somebody came out with that stupid thing like to take the piss with that big kind of perspex thing? They're walking around so people say, and I was like, are you kidding? And they're like, no, those are the rules. It's 3. You got 3. And I'm like,
those are the rules. Like,
yeah, you're looking at these people thinking, God, I've known you for so long, and I can't believe that you've just been
like completely just mind boggled
by this thing. Like, they're telling you 3 meters. Like, we were literally meeting in the park, out in the open, and you're like telling me, 3 meters. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Like, crazy how people. It's amazing how some people think, oh, fuck this, I'm making my own mind up, and they've got their own minds, and other people are like, no, I've been told.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, well, I mean...
Shows you different characters.
Yeah, 100%, but they're also the people that'll just happily grind their asses off all day, every day, until they die, and, they'll...
Yeah.
So,
100%.
It's fine, it's just people want to live like that. Max, you work from home, lol. Yeah, but I went out and I had fun, and I met fucking hundreds of people. And now I go and meet them all the time on weekends. I was with them last night. Whereas those people wouldn't have got those bonds because they were sitting in a room jacking off doing work. And they got the same degree as me, the same fucking grade. And now they've got no mates. I did tell them though. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Yeah. Patience, discipline, attention to detail. Very nice. Yeah, I think this zone's going to be tough, man. Like it was yesterday, so best to just leave it out. Max is super spreader. I had my... Was it my 18th? No. Was it my 21st birthday? No, it was my 19th or 20th birthday. I had a fucking massive party at mine. I had like a nice pool in the back. It's funny. Loved it. I'll try and find the video as well. Funny, they made me a cake and then the candles were all dubs. It was great.
Cool. Oh, that's really cool.
Good shit. GJ no trade zone. Yep, sells below. Yep. Yeah. So this zone here is the one that I've talked about, but I just feel a little bit cautious just for the fact that the sells at 500. At the 800. Could be a little bit of an issue, yeah. So I think you've done a great job here. Because of this 4-hour zone, I'd rather just wait until we get a little bit further below this area, just so we avoid the fake outs and the rejections and stuff. Max, I've been doing the break on trend lines and the 5-minute 1-to-1 on gold. It's been working out great. Thanks, bro. Yeah, man, it works out very well. Works out very well as long as you've got like the kind of the main knowledge from Raja and like things of like clean counts to the left, no like supports there, and as long as you've got a big enough zone, it works very, very nicely. I mean, you can see our win rate this month. I mean, it's freaking on Black Teds. There's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's been 5 all winners. So. It's a good little thing to put in. So for example, this one here, right? So if this trend line closes above, the issue is that there's a resistance here. So I got to be a little bit cautious, right? It's 15 res as well. So unfortunately, I probably won't take this one. Yeah. What about this one here? Did anyone take this one? Oh, it didn't really close. Oh no, this one kind of closed above.
What's that on gold?
Yeah,
I just papered it.
Yeah, that 5-minute trend line was decent because, I mean, it wasn't that good. Let me just get rid of this one because I'm not going to even use this one now because the res is right there. But
they kind of hit it at the resistance over to the left there, similar. I don't know.
Yeah.
No.
So if this candle closed below, you got in on the retest of the trend line there, stop loss below there, so 9 pips. Obviously, you're gonna be break even there, so you might just hit break even.
Which I've done.
Yeah, because the 15's hitting the support, right?
Yeah.
So beautiful. So that's what you got to do. You got even this one was quite hard because this zone isn't the biggest zone. You would have got 10 pips though, so it's still worth taking it. Just couldn't continue there. I might still do.
I got 30 odd from the bottom though. That would have been great. It does seem to do that quite a bit, but react to the Asian highs and lows, huh?
Oh yeah.
You say?
Holds them nicely. 100%. 100%. I got in that one after the break of the previous high and the 5-minute to previous resistance. Nice. I'd always advise trying to get in on the trend line though, because you're such a nice discounted entry. If you get in on the break of the previous, it doesn't give you much room. Like for example, if you're getting on the trend line here, or a little bit lower like there, then you've still got this room for this to fuck around and it may actually push, right? Whereas if you've got it on the break of the previous high, you're going to hit break even here, really. It pretty much did it before, I think. So, the retest of the trend line, trust the trend line. It should be good. Let's see if I can continue. But yeah, 100%, if you can get the 10 pips at this high, you know, it's perfect because you have this traffic all here. So take your money and run. I took a trend line. Oh, you got break even. Yeah. Good option though. It's good with the trend lines as well because you can get break evens very quickly. You can, you know, if you feel like it's not working too well, then you normally just at break even. So it's good. Very, very nice. Raw dog the system. Let's take a look. I know people who became right weapons from it. Yeah, man, 100%. 243 people already. Amazing. Make sure you like the stream. And yeah, we'll see. But I don't think rushing in these market conditions is gonna be good for you. We just gotta wait a little bit. From yesterday's Asian highs from today's Asian highs? Yeah, I did, brother. I had it on before. The only issue is that, look. So we're on it right now, however. So it's closed, yeah, it's closed on it. The only issue you have is that, look, the 15-minute res is right there. So your stop loss would be probably like down there for 17 pips, and your first TP is like 6-7 pips. It's not enough. It needs to be above this zone, really. For me, anyway. Sorry, just if you said it before, but what are your opinions on gold today? Gold's just in a range. Just gotta wait for it to break out of it, either bullish or bearish. I'm happy taking buys and sells. You just gotta wait for it to leave this zone, because this zone's a little bit choppy. Looking like the price action right now though isn't too bad. Kind of clean candles from 1652 to 1648, moving quite quickly, which is good signs. So hopefully we can get out of it. Thoughts on EJ? EJ looks like shit. There's just way too many supports everywhere for sells. It's just, I'm not even gonna look at it. It looks like garbage. Yeah, same thing with GJ really, to be honest with you. Just gotta wait. What trade did Wix take? Take a look. Just take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Did he take a trade? Wait, what the fuck? Is that a sell there? Oh yeah, it is. Did he get into it? Very, very nice. I think it might have pushed. There you go. Beautiful. Wixie 9. Beautiful trade. A little bit of drawdown, but worked out nicely. Very good. Yeah, make sure to follow him for Asian session. Very nice. So yeah, I think I think the boys today have sacked it off again. Looked at Goldie and gone, you know what? Nah, it's enough for me. Who's that guy? He's just Don's friend. Don's trader friend. So let's take a look at the poll then. So 26% of people who voted got trapped in gold yesterday. Yeah, interesting. Now, did you get trapped more than once? Did you try a second trade? So maybe you took a trade here, you might got a break even or a loss. Did you take another trade in here? Because normally when you get the first L, the first level, you go, this isn't really working. That's your sign to back off 100%. Because it can do this for ages, right? It did it for ages. Of course, lol. Oh my god. Tried multiple, oh god, Hein. Yeah, man. It was pretty bad, it was pretty bad. Actually, let me just update that trade that we took yesterday as well. What time did we take it? I think it was 10:45. 10:33. Yeah, I watched that new Smile movie. My god, that shit was scary. Hell no. So let's put this on. 10:35 on the 24th. It was a gold. It was a sell. It was a breakout, and it was a retest entry. Look at all these retest entries. Damn. It was based on the 30. Stop loss is 21 pips. Close to full at Zehar. Zehar. There you go. Gold was being stubborn yesterday. Was expecting it to drop to 1620, but didn't. Yeah. Yeah, once I started rejecting this again, I was like, wow, yeah, it's really just going to hold this area today. Just gonna hold it. Right, I'm gonna do a movie night with Kitten tonight. Can anyone recommend me a movie that's good for a partner? Because man, we suck at finding a movie to watch together. We like different things. I'm thinking maybe James Bond. James Bond's quite a good one.
Really?
Yeah.
She like that?
Yeah. She likes more action than me.
Oh, really?
She likes Taken and shit. She likes that shit.
What about like Guardians of the Galaxy or something like that?
I love God. She doesn't like that. She doesn't like anything. She doesn't like anything that isn't realistic. Like as in like yeah. So and that's my struggle because I like shit like that.
Okay.
Bullet Train. I watched Bullet Train. We watched it. Me and Kate watched it. It was great. The Invisible Guest. Ooh. I'll take some requests. I put in a thing. Top Gun. Watch Top Gun. Yeah, me and Caitlin also need to remember we go to the cinema every fucking week. So we've seen all the new ones. And all the old ones as well. Top Gun. The Margin Call. I should hate anything to do with finance. Max trading a lot sharper after the Vietnam War in Q3. The Woman King in the cinema at the moment. Oh, The Woman King. Apparently that's really good, actually, yeah. It's an actual movie that they've made the woman an actual decent, amazing character with good storylines and not having to fucking just fist your fucking woke shit. Wolf of Wall Street. I can't even watch that. I think she has. I kind of want to watch another Christopher Nolan film. I haven't even watched the big ones yet. I watched Interstellar and I was way too big to watch that. Not Interstellar. What was the other one? The one where like the fucking world like changes dimensions and shit. I forgot what it's called. It's not that realistic, lol. James Bond. He could be James Bond. Do you know that shaken not stirred thing? It's because apparently with his drink that he gets, shaken not stirred, he shakes it and the water is on the top, so he only drinks the water. That's sick. Inception, yeah, Inception. Inception was mad. Boy in the Striped Pajamas. That's a great film. Yeah, Inception. I was way too fucking big for that shit. I passed out in the first like 20 minutes. I was like, what the fuck is going on? I woke up like halfway through the film and the fucking walls are coming down in the city. I was like, oh my god. Eye in the sky. Let me write that down. Max, what do you think of Ronaldo's ban? I think he's been a bit of a pussy now. I'm kind of sick of him, to be honest. Yeah, sick of him a little bit. You can also see that gold GJ here is actually right at 163.8 big psychological level, so just be careful in terms of like trying to take a trade in here. It's at a big level. Black Panther 2 gonna be lit, not gonna lie. Yeah. Go buy Bollywood movies. Ah, yes. I also find it so hard to stay in a movie. That's why I like going to the cinema, because there's more distractions for me. There's a Tango Ice Blast, there's always nachos, there's always loud music, a big fucking massive screen. I hate watching movies here, but I'm gonna try and stay focused. So there we go. Goldie tapped the resistance, rejected. So in terms of taking positions at the trend line, that's why I always say, you know, you gotta take it off at the first res, especially when it's a strong one like that. My god, that shit could range all day if it wants to. Has anyone watched that new Smile movie? Shit was
No, is it scary?
Yeah, I think it's scary. Oh yes. It's actually quite a decent ending. It's not like it's, you know, normally horror movie endings are a bit shit. They kill the thing and then it's like, wow, but this one pretty good. You know you're a successful trader when you get a nachos and a Tango Ice Blast at the movies. Yeah, it's worth 13 quid. Fucking crap at the movies. Yeah.
How's your typing going, Max?
Good, man. Did it yesterday. Yeah, I'm getting quite good now. Now they're introducing capital letters, so I gotta like, you know, so I'm slower down now, but yeah, still going well. Doesn't take long. At all.
Did you do it on a website?
Yeah, just Touch Typing Club, I think it's called, is free.
Is it?
Yeah, free. I'm on. Take a look here. I started again, so I think I'm on 147.
Okay.
And then how many have they got? Look how many they've got. Look at that. Whoa. Final lesson 685. Wow.
Oh, and then you'll be able to get a job as a secretary.
Literally. So quick how they do it though. Like I'm feeling quickened sometimes, and I'm only hitting like fucking 50 or 45, 50 words per minute or some shit. They do like 90, 100. Oh my god, double. 9k subs. Oh, we hit 9k subs. Very nice. Thank you very much. How long have you been trading, sir? Probably two sentences there. The first, how long have I been trading? Well, from 16, 17 to now, so that's like 6 years, 5, 6 years. But proper trading has been since I was like 19, 18. Properly. Right hand 4 stars sus. Dynamic practice. Yeah, it's good. I like it. It's getting quicker as well. I like it a lot. Samantha, I see you on Donvo's stream and Roger Banks' stream as well. Samantha is everywhere. You'll never not see Samantha. He's everywhere. He must have about 15 screens because he's on everyone's stream. My word per minute average right now is, it's not a lot. It's like 30. It says, I think it's only like 36. I think 36, yeah. With the words that they're giving me, right? I'm not actually like, I'm just kind of going through their words. GJ is dropping. Yep, good. Hourly's reflipped. It's got a lot of supports to get past there for me to look at this zone. So let's see if it does. You can see here, 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 wicks there, wick there. So wait until 529. EJ breaking out. Yeah, one massive candle. Down to the next support. You could have done the Seru play maybe on the 30. But I still think it was a bit of a shocking zone, to be honest. 49 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. 200 likes and we'll get some magic keys on the go. How's Finny boy this morning? I can see. I think Finn's in here. You taking any trades? I'm still staring at gold. Manuel's not here either. I think a lot of people have just looked this morning and go, you know what? Sack it off. I bet Manuel's at the beach right now. Right at the beach. Yeah, I woke up this morning again at 5:45. Like, we're still in this zone. Goldie's still in this fucking zone, so I'll just wait.
Max.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Max.
How are you doing?
Good, thanks.
Are you bored of the... I'm not too bad. Are you bored of this range?
I'm very bored.
Did you take any in NY yesterday or not? There's that fucking M thing. It was bloody gorgeous. I fucking missed it.
When was it, Max?
It was at 11 o'clock. Yeah, 11:05 it started, and then it started 11:30 was the entry candle. Literally at 11:30, I was looking at this shit, trying to get this buy back up to 60.54, trying to find a nice closure and stuff, but I just didn't get it. But that was so nice as well. Look how far it ran. That's pretty gorgeous. Should still be in now, really. Tasty.
Okay, I see it.
Watch Sicario and Sicario 2. I recognize that name. Sicario. Oh man, I can't wait to go back in the spa today, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Full Zen mode.
Steam room.
Well, I've got a massive, like it's jacuzzi, but it's huge. It could fit like 40 people in it. I sit in that for like half an hour and then go to the steam room for another half an hour. And I'm out.
Nice.
Do my physio exercises as well for the, because I can't.
Your shoulder.
Yeah, my shoulder. Actually killed as well. Like when I was doing it, a lot of tension on it. But,
what is it? Rotator cuff, Max?
yeah. He says I've got a tear somewhere there, and then my other arm is nerve damage, or something to do with the nerve. The nerve might be stuck somewhere, so I'm doing some nerve exercises on that one.
Yeah.
Is Spa for gays to look out for company? What? Oh my god. I am the probably the youngest guy in there. There's a lot of old people. But what do you expect? It's a fucking spa. How would you sum up the first 2 years of trading, mate? Did you lose much? Yep, you lost every dime to my name. I was way too young and didn't know what I was doing. So yeah, it was painful, man. It was, you know, I remember being fucking skint, man. Like fully fucking broke. So yeah, it's not a good feeling, but it's good, man. Being broke is a good learning lesson. It means you never want to be broke again. So if you've never been broke, you probably don't have the little drive that other people have when they've been broke. The worst feeling though, especially at that young age, like I was working at the Chinese. I'd just blow my like £400 account and then I'd go to work, grafting my ass off to make like fucking 30 quid. Or like, how did you recover your losses? Well, through the whole of uni, grafting out, and then the last year of uni I did fund and talent, which got my money back pretty quickly, to be honest. Unfortunately, they left now, which is a shame because their model was quite good. So yeah. Do you invest in crypto? Nope. And I won't for the foreseeable future. I will not participate. How much are those crypto NFTs worth now? Like, you know, everyone's talked about them. How much are they? Oh, they seem to be holding, I think. They're quite big prices, I thought. Oh, but then Ethereum's down a lot, eh? Yeah, Ethereum's down a lot. So at the start, it was... When was that in? Yeah, like July time. Let's just do a little bit more. Yeah, June, July time, it was like 83, but I think Ethereum was quite high then, eh? Even furthermore. Whereas now Ethereum's quite... What's the price of... Ethereum price? Let's take a look at that. Year to date. Yeah, it's 2.5 at fucking March. It's lost more than half. 57%. Wow. Madness. Logan Paul 600k NFT down to $10. My god. I mean, it was cheap. 2 break-evens in GJ already for this morning. Amazing start. How are you even getting trades in here, man? Sells. So this GJ 50-minute timer close bearish. The retracement's happening right now. It's got 8 minutes left. So this reflips. It should push down. I think maybe people might want the 5-minute close bullish back above though. It's a bit sucky. Around 100 euros. Oh my god. Guy who I know bought some for very high price. Each was over 20,000 euros. Now they're worth around 100 euros. I want to know what Mike Malax is, because he put his down as a fucking payment for his house. So yeah, guys, 8 minutes left until London Open. It's just a waiting game, unfortunately. It looks like maybe things are people are waiting for something. It could be this consumer confidence later on in FOMC, maybe. Yeah. Oh, some Australian annual budget. Today. We got another subscriber over here. Walt, thank you for subscribing. Yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to do that. I think we're nearly hitting... I think we've just hit 9,000 subscribers. Yeah, trying to hit 10 would be pretty good. 10 would be pretty cool. Also, I'm going to be buying a new camera soon, and I'll be doing more videos, like, just day-to-day stuff. I might do it in a different channel, though, just... Maybe some about mental health and stuff. I feel I've got a lot of wisdom in that now, considering I'm surrounded by people who have counselors and shit. So I think I could probably give some nice advice and stuff. So I might just do another channel on, like, day-to-day life, just a bit more wholesome and stuff.
That's nice.
Yeah, I feel like why not? It'll be fun, it'll be enjoyable, quite rewarding, and yeah, so that's what I might do on the other channel. I remember nurses talking about buying Bitcoin at 60k. Oh my god. Oh, have you seen the uni lectures are all striking again? They said, yeah, for pay and working conditions. Working conditions? You live in a fucking lecture hall. Working conditions, the fucking cheek. Working conditions. You see the fucking builders on the road when they get underground trying to fucking put the pipes in. That's working conditions. Fuck me. They striked all the way through my uni. The second year was just strike pretty much the whole time. So your job is a piece of piss. All you got to do is do a little bit of lecture work, and then you go and do your research, and you get paid, you know, a fair amount. If you wanted money, don't be a fucking lecturer then, you donut. It's not fair on the people who are fucking paying for it. It's mad. Spa day episode like Greg Secker. Well, actually, I got told off a couple of days ago because I actually wanted to do a little video in the spa, and I got told off. You're not allowed any cameras in. So that was great. What you need to go to, and what you...
Just claws. 16 pip bars on Goldie.
Oh! What time
Going
frame?
to 3 minute. See, right. You'll see literally if you draw a line on the top of where it tapped into, it was a grind. She was slow.
Wait, there? No.
I don't know. To the left, bros.
Up there. Top, up, left, right, there.
Just draw it on.
Come on
Yeah.
now, Maxi. Oh,
Where? I can't see it.
I
Come
can't
on,
annotate anymore.
Maxi.
It won't let me.
Why don't let you annotate?
Nah. Someone annotate. It says host has. There you go.
I can't see it. What is it?
There.
But
So
what
I
is it
tested
though?
Double top,
Oh, okay.
and it's with trend. It's with sorry, not with trend. It's with we didn't go the Asian lows, so holding my nutsack for the last fucking holy fuck, all these fucking candles. Fuck yeah.
Even me. I was stuck at 6 pips for about fucking 10 minutes.
So long.
Yeah, that's gold for you. Yesterday was fucking...
What was that? An untested double top?
Yeah, I don't really get that, to be honest, but well done, lads. Explain it in NY maybe more in
Let's have
depth.
the double top lessons.
Go on, Brian.
Yeah.
It's an untaken out
You guys
area
took that
up
channel.
there.
I took the buy. You guys took the sales. You guys explain your.
You take the trend
yours.
line buy, Bri, or just at the double top, double bottom?
I did take the trend line buys, and I
Uh-huh.
said if it breaks the previous 5 low, I'm cutting. I cut it like -2 pips,
Mm-hmm.
but I held buys from Asian lows.
Yeah.
So I got 27.
Like Tommy Boy.
Oh, sick.
Did you wait for the 5 to close bullish?
I was actually in before, so I had some drawdown,
Mm.
and the next minute she just started kicking.
She
Yeah.
kicked hard.
She kicked very hard. I mean, that's the thing. When it ranges, right, you just play the range, right? So
100%.
100%. Nice. Mate, that M yesterday. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Looking at fucking Goldie and the shit. And then in the meantime, all you fuckwits are looking at the M on goal. I'm like, oh, GJ, but that is the perfect M. And it nutted as well. Oh, nice. Very, very nice.
Matt, it's with that M. Where do you mind explaining the entry?
Yeah. So this is obviously the resistance here.
Yeah.
So all on the 15, 1 second. So you can see it's a good level. So when we talk about wanting to take M's, it's got to be at a resistance level, right? So you clearly, very obviously, it's at a resistance level. Then drop down to the 5. You've got the first high, which is this one here. That's the start of the M. Comes back
Yeah,
down.
just draw
Goes
it.
back down
Yeah,
to the
when you
M
draw
there.
it, then you'll get more.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then, so that now this one here, this candle here, is the confirmation because it closed below the neckline.
And then you're getting the retest.
And then you're getting the retest, which is this candle
Okay.
here when it comes to retest the neckline. And then obviously what we talked about yesterday, Paulie, is the stops, which Brian went over a couple of days ago. If you're not happy with the stops there, which are like 19 pips, then use your stops there for 11.
Yeah.
And then obviously here in this example, why was it a really good one? Well, clean candle to the left, clean candles to the left. Right, obviously when it comes, targets there, and then obviously runner can continue.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
yeah. That was a beautiful one, eh, Bri?
Yeah, it was nice.
Ah, nice.
Go gold, fly.
Oh,
Shut
Goldie,
up.
I love you.
Yeah, fuck you, bro. Trend line buys. You got me fucking scared for a second.
Yeah, he did.
Sat there, you're like, I'm pretty much in buys.
Don't say anything. Okay, I'm gonna enter
So
a
what the
buy, but
fuck
don't
you-
get
When the
freaked
fuck do you
out.
get into cells?
Right there.
Oh,
Oh, like when it just tapped in it.
So I was watching on YouTube. You fuckers are trying to take buys. I was like, what the fuck you lot doing?
I was taking buys if this fucking zone was bigger, but yeah, it came to the res. Would have been TP, but didn't really. Had like 6 pips or some shit.
No, but it like formed support on the 5, and Brian was like, yeah, I'm buying the fucking 5 minute. I was like, just shut up the fuck up.
I quite like how that 5-minute close and this one retraced as well. I was like, oh, also the retest and the daily flip as well. That was quite nice.
Brian goes to us. He goes, I don't mean to alarm you guys, but I'm in buys. Oh, that makes me feel so much better.
Hey, you still held it though, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I was BE already.
Yeah, nice man.
Did take a bit of an L earlier, but got it back and more.
Astro creep. Gold may reverse soon, but I'm not sure. I think you just gotta be patient. The zone likes
It's
to
just
hold.
done it. Thank God I took my position out.
That was good.
A second ago, bro, if it was that close too early, it's just fucking wicked all the way back up.
And it
Oh
just
my
flew.
god, now it's just dumping again. What the fuck? What is that
You
3-minute
get faster.
candle?
Is there news again?
I don't know. That's
Oh
how
my
are spreads today? Because GJ spreads yesterday were ass.
Oh,
Fuck, it went almost to 3 yesterday.
Yeah, they were really shit. 1.92. 2 pips
It's
spread on
literally
GJ. What
news,
the
like
fuck?
every day.
Yeah, man. There was a massive spike. Remember on gold? I think it was here, and it came to 1652. And everyone was like, "I'm gonna take a buy." I'm like, "Just be careful," because GJ's just retraced this whole move here. I was like, normally gold will do the same, and it did. It just retraced all the way back into that zone.
They said that they're gonna intervene. Yen's gonna intervene every day.
Oh,
This intervention can be every day.
yeah.
So that's not good because they don't release that as a headline or a news.
No.
You know what I mean? So GJ is actually going to be very erratic till this intervention thing stops or they declare the intervention stopped. They said they're going to intervene every day.
Yeah, that's a lot, man.
But the problem is you're going to be in a trade and the next minute they're going to say, fuck this, let's just turn it up a bit. You know what I mean? You're fucked. You're fucked.
Yeah.
You're either going to be with it or you're fucked.
Yeah.
So it doesn't make it friendly to trade.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit more on the ball, I think.
Because are they going to push the button in London? Are they going to push the button in NY? Are they going to push the button in NYC? Are you just
never know.
scared of this intervention every day?
Yeah, yeah. True. I've taken some of Sasha's January trades this AM. Apparently, Hein got stuck in
Oh
here.
shit, we're on YouTube. Fuck.
Did Hein get stuck in the range?
Yeah, here.
Makes sense.
I think a lot of people did.
Yeah.
26% of people voted that they got stuck in here. That's a lot. That's a lot. And that is, if I could highlight this level, this is an account breaker level. If you don't have good discipline and you revenge trade and stuff, that can easily nuke 30% of your account if you're not on the ball.
Roughly time frame there in that box?
Yep. I think there was some entries that Sasha liked a little bit on the lower time frames, but
Lot of fake
5
outs
is
there.
awful.
Tons of
That
fake
one,
out. Look at the fake out retest that you could have grabbed there at the start.
That one
Mhm.
was the one.
This is the only thing like in a range you've got to worry about. You've got to worry about candles more.
Yeah.
Perfect entry in a range. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Literally.
Yeah,
talked
hold
about
the
this-
support.
We talked about
that
second
one.
cell, Brian.
Yeah. So.
You know the fake out,
Yeah, hundreds.
and then we had the engulfing on the third
Yeah.
one.
So you can play a range. You just need to now worry about candles. Actually, at the end of the day.
Mm. Would you say in terms of this as well? I mean, actually, to be honest, in both of the look how similar this pattern is with this one here.
That's just how they.
So you got to just hold the
buys
stops,
and
right?
sellers. Yeah, 100%. You got to trust the stops.
Just to stop with the support and the res, yeah.
Because I could buy this morning. I was in drawdown, but I held my stops, 24 pips.
Yeah.
And it came very close, 100%.
You
came very
fucking
close.
lucky, man.
And the next one
You
is just
lucky
fucking
fucker.
rocket. I've been calling rockets all morning. What are you talking about? Not lucky. It's fucking precision. Wait.
Tell me that next time it sweeps the low, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. The one day it doesn't actually go past the lows.
Yeah.
It goes to the moon, man.
It's the one day I've seen in the last like 3 months it didn't sweep the low, it just stood there. And your stop is below the low. What the fuck?
Okay, Max. It didn't sweep the lows.
Uh.
One day, I get it. If like it doesn't sweep the lows.
Holy shit. That's some mangoes over there. He's got some mangoes on tap. Where the fuck's Jason been as well?
Jason's with us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Nice. Nice. Oh my god, these charts, bro. Oh my god. The EJ continue. I hit that support and reject a little bit. Go on, Goldie, get down. This zone below is much nicer. Yeah, my zone on Goldie and GJ here, I kind of want to wait below 167.529 because the one below 700 is a massive 4-hour support.
Massive.
It's massive, yeah. It's going to be painful. So I'd rather just wait a little bit further below. And then below 529, it's not bad at all.
The problem with GJ here is there's just too much resistance and supports.
Yeah.
It's just the areas are too tight.
Yeah. Yep.
It was amazing how I said last week, I said yeah, below 166 I'll get involved with GJ again. Intervention comes, straight back to ours. So cool. So we'll just leave GJ some more.
Leave it alone. Do 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 do. Leave it some more. How was yesterday, Brian? You were with the missus?
Yeah. Well, I'll try it in between, but she's just fucking loud and noisy and interrupting, and so I was like, just take it chill when she's at home, you know. But still got some fucking bucks up in market, so it's fine.
Very nice.
Went for dinner, had a couple of beers.
I'm making carbonara tonight, Brian. I'm gonna ask for some tips over here.
Are you gonna curdle it again?
I'm not gonna curdle it. I was telling Kate that last night. I was like, no, I'm not gonna curdle it. Pan's
Did
too
you buy a new
hot.
frying pan?
Yeah, I got a frying pan.
Yeah, but did you buy a new one?
No. I'm gonna buy all the kit when I move to the new gaff. Can't be asked doing this shit all over the gaff.
There was one that I actually found that looked pretty good. Let me just see if I can remember the name. Hex pounds or something. I don't know if you got. I must just find it. Let me find it first.
I really want the stainless steel one. I think they just look so satisfying.
Yeah, this thing is called Hex Clad. I'll send you. Let me just find the pan version. The stainless steel is good, but you've got to make it non-stick yourself, and it's quite a
Pain,
process.
yes.
Yeah. You got to superheat it that it's purple. Then you got to put salt in it. It's a bit of a process. But some of these things look pretty good. Like you'll get proper sear and stuff on them.
Very nice.
There's a link. It looks pretty good to like really not use oil.
Oh wow.
I don't know the brand or anything, but it looks pretty good. Like you won't be using any oil and stuff. That thing will get super hot and it won't stick. Then your meat like singes, like it's good. You know what I mean?
Yeah. If it sticks.
But that looks impressive.
Yeah. I'll keep that on. Very
Gold,
nice.
gold.
Let's drop it again. 5 minutes flipped. So, and look at how cack those trades were. Heiny boy.
Oh, Goldies.
It's just fuck. Look at the 1 minutes. Mate,
Gold is in such a fucking mess.
I
Actually.
know, man.
Fuck.
Yeah, you gotta-
This
you
is
gotta
when
really
this is when you could be a really good trader and then in one couple days can just fuck you up. You know what I mean? Like if people have been trading this all day yesterday and they took like 3 hours and like right now I'm gonna wait till the next day, discipline has been coming here and then they start trying to trade here.
This is cack. This is okay.
Yeah, it's been clean. Well, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all nice
That's
and clean.
nice.
Yeah,
But the
100%.
other stuff, oh fuck that.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Jesus. DJ put that song.
Yeah.
DJ what?
Boo.
It's just I did the low twice.
It just doesn't. It doesn't like these highs at all. So it's like, well, it's got to come down. But it's just like, can you hurry up?
Look at those wicks to the downside, upside.
I know.
And then people want to buy GJ.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
Go sitting on 168. My days. Sitting there. Let's take a look what Champion's doing. Hey, waiting for consolidation to break. Very nice. Very nice. I agree.
39.
I like his voice. His voice
which
is
a
very.
nice area to target. And then short term, you can look for
Very
for like
relaxed.
1644. So filling the
What's he on? 4.7k. Nice. I give him a like. I give him a like. Go on, Goldie. Break out this zone. Thing is though, like we're wanting this to break here, but even if it comes down like even to there, it's still got fucking. It needs to drop 40 pips to even look at something. Really.
Oh, where's your zone? 1645.
Yeah. Below there, it's clean to at least 1642 and then 1638. Do. Come on, Goldie, push down. Get down, boy. Yeah, that's mad. 25% of people that voted, 200 votes, got stuck in Goldie yesterday. A lot of people. A lot of people. Really price doing nothing? Yeah. Yep. So you take your cowboy hats off, you put your discipline hats on. Yesterday, Raja shows he's had a 12 losing streak in a row on his main account. What, recently or just like in time? And like, yeah. It's one of those things, just happens. Why is everyone clapping for Richie Sunak at this fucking thing? Can you not just go and do his job now? Well done, you won. You won the vote because the other last bailed.
Max, isn't he like partly responsible for the debt that we're in? Or
Yeah, it was his thing. Yeah. And pretty sure he was one of the people that tried to make this the COVID app, maybe. I think he was very much a part of it.
Yeah, that.
Which is a waste of fucking money.
Eat out to help out.
Yeah.
I like him. If he can spend more of the government's money, so more fucked.
There we're just more fucked though, aren't we?
More fucked, yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome to
Gotta
SA.
laugh. You gotta laugh.
UK is going to be SA status soon.
Oh God.
Isn't SA going back to? Are they talking about going back to gold standard with China and?
No chance. SA
No.
is we've been rated junk for like 2 years
Rated junk.
Okay.
until Moody's upgrades us to above junk. Then fine, we'll start seeing a difference. Then we'll start getting foreign investment again and stuff like that. But once a country's declared junk, they can't take on foreign investment.
Wow. That's not good. That's
So
not good.
Moody's has to lift our junk status for us to get other money.
Hmm. I had a dream last night about moving to Dubai again. Oh, fuck. I really want Kate to just skip the London part. I can just move to Dubai. How far would that be from you then, Bright?
No, Dubai's close. I think it's like
Yeah.
8 hours.
That'll be some good shit.
I've got mates in Dubai as well.
Mm.
Yeah,
That's
it's, what's 8 hours? 8 hours flight.
Yeah, that's fine. Six
We
or
pass
7
Dubai
floors.
every time when we go on holiday anyway. So
Yeah, it's like a hub. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get Caitlin to sack off London and go straight to Dubai. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that because she really wants to go to London for some retarded reason.
I got mates that work in like tech businesses in Dubai, and they like pulling their mates over as well. You know what I mean? Just to get them-
100%.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Is gold going to take the lows now? Finally.
Yeah, finally, Brian's gonna run up his buys again, ready.
You never know.
You think gold is raging? Check UJ. Okay, let's take a look at UJ.
yeah, but anything USD, this is the reason USD.
Yeah.
The dollar is what's the index? Is it still at res? Such
Oh wait,
Is-
I haven't even shown.
yeah,
so
is the DXY still at res?
The DX.
DXY.
Oh, look at UJ range. Fuck.
There's big gaps on DXY.
Gaps on DXY. You see,
It looks
Horrible.
fucking. It looks nasty.
Is UK Prime Minister from India? Yeah, he's not from India. Born in the UK. And he went to a private school that cost £42,000 a year.
Was it Winchester?
Yeah.
Fucking
Manchester.
Winchester. His wife is fucking loaded.
I know.
Fucking.
If there was a voting thing tomorrow, I don't know. I'd vote. Well, actually, I know exactly who I'd vote for. I'd vote for someone who, if Labour said that they'd legalise weed, then I'd fucking vote Labour. I think I'd vote Labour anyway. To be honest, why not? Give them a go. They've been fucking crying about it for years. Do you know Brown? Oh, a knife. I would want a proper like the Japanese knives. I see them all over TikTok, like the marbled ones. It's sick. I just want to trade. Has there been a week where there's just been absolutely just nothing, been fully ranged? There's always 1 or 2 days, just this something. It might come towards the end of this week, maybe. Lol, India ruling Britain. Oh my god. He was getting absolutely bashed in Telegram.
Can only be one person, bro.
Yeah.
You only want your fucking sound on, that's why.
Bring, bring, bring. I see actually go through my messages. I'm fucking so shit replying. Get my smoke from the chemist. The tables have turned. Queen dies, Indian rise. do, do, do. Oh, I saw another SV a couple nights ago in Leeds. It was bloody gorgeous.
That's it.
Oh, mate, it sounded like a fucking rocket. It was great. It's beautiful.
Fucking piece of shit.
Oh, that's beautiful. Snap, crackle, pops. Actually, I need to message my dad about that. Go to Geneva Motor Show. Definitely want to go this year. I could vlog that shit as well. Oh, yeah. Show you how the real boys live. This is mad that this is London. No.
Yeah, it's scary, yeah.
London. It's been so good for so long. They've actually washed the windows in this apartment now, so it actually looks quite nice. Can I open this up? Let's make this. Much nicer. Oh, the weather today is good as well. Attack knives, oh my god. Max, you are moving up in life. When I started watching you, those blinds couldn't do that. Yeah, the new blinds, boy. Looks like you're in a hotel beside of a motorway. Pretty much. Pretty much. Is GU looking still the same? It's a bit sus.
It broke nicely, but then the next 5 candles are just a joke. They're all identical.
It's doing nothing. Doing nothing. It just tends to suggest it's waiting for something. But what could it be waiting for?
What gold?
It's everything.
Max, do you have problems with electricity and Wi-Fi when trading? No. Brian does
Not
though.
yet.
I've just got to wait for it to trip and then my battery's kicked in, so it's fine. If I didn't have my battery back, I'd be fucked.
They're saying that we might need them in the winter.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
They've been talking about
Yeah.
3-hour blackouts or whatever.
Really?
Look what's happening now?
What the fuck is this?
Well, you're gonna have to buy this big battery supply now, Max.
Yeah, and then all
Better
these
start-
fucking protesters, all these
Better
fucking,
start shopping now, boy.
all these eco-protesters are complaining about these new deals of like making stuff like, bro, we need to fucking heat the homes.
I've just bought a UPS for the computer.
Yeah, it's good.
They are fucking expensive now.
Now, Max, you're gonna have to fucking switch over to battery power.
Man,
boy,
I'm
Max.
going to fucking Dubai, man. Fuck that shit. There's enough oil, electricity there, I tell you that. That'll be real.
For a lot.
Screw fix to a generator for 190 quid. It'll run your PC, Max, so you can still do your stream.
Oh, mate,
Max
with that
needs one bigger so you
technology.
can plug his vibrator into it.
Actually, one of my things today, is going through Steve that thing. I actually really want this now, so I'm gonna do it today. Is this the chat that I have to join?
What is it?
For the TV, for
The
that
TV
stuff.
thing. I want. It was one of my things this week to do, and I want to start it today.
Speak to Joe. He's joined up.
Oh, has he? Okay. With Joe W or Joe?
So weedy.
Yeah. I think it's weed. I look like a bit of a, it looked like a bit of a chapati. It looked like an onion bhaji. I think my guys should be an onion bhaji. Yeah, it is Joe W. Okay, so I'm gonna check on my TV and see if I can actually put it on. Wait, is it Joe W? Is Joe here?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'll message Joe later on. See what.
They do a Fire Stick or a box, Max, if you haven't got the TV for it.
Yeah, but who do I talk to though? Is it on this Telegram guy? Oh, the link's fucking expired anyway. Fuck.
I think I sent Joe the Facebook link.
Okay, sick. Great Joey boy. Okay, I'll message you later on. See how it's done, because I'm shit with technology.
You want to watch more TV, Max?
Well, I want to watch some fucking football in 4K and not pay fucking too much for it.
Yeah, it's good.
And some movies and stuff. Like, that'd be nice.
I remember last time, Joe. Every man and his dog started messaging me about a fucking TV. Yeah, Joe's your man for TV.
TV. Get that sorted. Oh, yes.
And you need a fucking UPS, man, a big inverter.
What uni was you at, Max, and what did you study? I was at Newcastle Uni and I did maths with finance.
Why didn't you do economics?
Because I didn't do economics A level. Because I couldn't. If I had to do economics A level, I couldn't have done further maths because it like overlapped, and I picked further maths instead. Because I
Now
wanted
the
it.
Asians are taking over Parliament. You could have been right in there.
I wouldn't do that fucking Parliament bullshit. I swear too much to be in that fucking room.
I like the fact that Rishi is absolutely minted.
Why?
It'd be very difficult to bribe him for small amounts, wouldn't it?
That's but there's I suppose we got a point.
I can imagine Boris screwing over all the people in England for 100k. I don't think Rishi would get out of bed for 100k.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but his price tag might just be more, right?
Yeah, it could be me. He's getting.
You can say, well, I want 100 mil for this, or 20 mil, and it'll get done. You know, his demands could be higher.
Yeah. Have you seen the wholesale gas prices now? They're 400% cheaper than there was.
Really?
Yep. They got up to 670, and they're now down to 100 and odd.
Yes,
So
gold.
So why?
Screwing us in the ass.
Yeah, pricks.
Well, they're not screwing me because I don't have any gas.
Sash, we still got to run in there.
Nah, mate, I got full anyway.
Ah, shit.
That thing took so fucking long. Holy god. But we were right.
Get out of this zone, old goalie boy.
Gold.
Still got a lot to break as well. Even like here, you could probably want it below those wicks as well. Those bodies there. The 15. Yeah.
Fat ass support here.
Yeah.
That's probably
Disgusting.
boy. You should wait for there. The lighting contrast makes Max an unlock character. Yeah, like on Lego. On Lego Star Wars. Let me put it back, actually. I do look.
Did you buy out the Lego thing? Not yet.
Nah, not yet. I'm trying not to spend any more money until Christmas.
That's fucking odd.
Yeah. I checked my bank, and I spent way too much money this year. On nothing. £72,000.
You spent.
Yeah.
How much?
Bro.
72.
Stuff at the top, eh?
Yeah.
70. The fuck you? Oh, it's a lot of fucking dough.
I know.
1.5 million round.
And literally nothing to show. Like that's a big set. So I'm like, this is stupid now. So I gotta stop. Someone that actually understands business related. Yeah. Time to sell gold.
Good luck with that.
You know, it should have been in cells 50 pips ago,
Yeah.
or to be precise.
Is there 5-minute
48.2.
trend line anywhere? I think it's just a support in it. You just want the support of breaks. There's no trend line to be needed really. Hey Max, could you please share the Spotify link to your jazz playlist? It's not Spotify, it's just this. Which actually is gonna finish soon, so I need to put it back.
I'm having to bite my tongue now, Max, about your spending.
You have to what?
Bite my tongue.
What, it's just 10 times worse, probably is.
You've spent them more than 10 times more than I have.
Oh.
Fancy wasting all that money on shit. Your dad needs to have a word with you.
Well, no, I put
100%. Or we gonna have a word with you.
I put 25 of it in a house.
Oh, great. So just 52k wasted. That's all good.
That 52k could have been another 2 houses.
I know,
Could have
but I
been
got to
fucking
live. I
ancient
got
cars.
rent. I got rent.
Could have been 2 ancient fucking cars.
2 ancient cars. I bought
Need to
another.
be
I bought
smart.
another car as well. I got a little Fiesta as well.
So when you're man and Brian's age, you can be as stupid as you want.
Yeah, I know exactly. So I've had
That's
a
why,
wake up call.
that's why we just collect pips and buy proper things and not spend it all on KFC buckets.
Don't you worry, I still got money.
I didn't say you don't have money.
I mean, I'm doing well. I haven't spent this whole week. Actually, no.
Max, don't say anything more, mate.
No, basically what happened was I was out on Sunday and we're at a quiz night and this fucking stupid bitch who was giving me my drinks was taking too long and obviously I want to just click it, you know, the contactless, and she goes, "Oh, that wasn't your drinks, that was the lad next to you." I'm like, "Oh, right, well there you go, mate, there's some free drinks." But yeah, I was like, I couldn't be asked to sort it out. That's shit. It was mainly the money that I took out in April that I spent quite a lot of. When we had that big month in April. Yeah, 37%.
When I was your age, Max, I went into Curry's and spent 28,000 quid all them years ago and bought everything electrical for the house.
What the fuck did you do?
Bought literally every
At my
camera.
age? The fuck do you have that?
Bought everything.
No, but how the fuck do you have that money at my age? Most people my age don't have that shit.
Oh, my peak time was like from 22 to 28.
Ah, my guy was dealing the cocaine.
Cocaine.
I went into bank to cash a check and the woman said to me, "That's a big one." And I said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I never realised my flies were hooked up." And she never fucking smacked or anything. She was a right miserable cow. Yeah. Those were the good days. Yeah.
Max, do you feel like spending another $50 and do a mentorship giveaway to a very specific member of your gulag? We'll see it. We'll see how much.
This mentorship, I'm fucking out.
Get ready for Goldie to plummet because I've just closed.
That's a good level to close.
Good.
Yeah.
That's a good run up.
Good level to close. I don't know, man. There's a lot of shit it needs to break first, but it could do. Has been ranging for a while, so when it breaks, it'll break quite hard. It's just, is it gonna do it in its time? If it comes back above here, my days. Time for some yoga.
I did yoga yesterday. I'm still feeling it today.
Really? Yeah, you gotta get.
Yeah, our last had me doing it.
Yeah, and it's straight after the stream.
I drew the line at Zumba. I enjoyed watching her do it though.
I bet. Like Roger said years ago, this is a character building session. Yep, same as yesterday. Character building, you just gotta... Senors. Coming up to the Asians again. Asian lows. Rookie, I'll take a look at that, Joey boy. Ah, yes, I'm excited for this, man. Every UK channel, every channel there, every sports channel. Pooh! If you can't wait for the best trade, you better not be trading this range. Exactly. And these are when, you know, you do your little cheeky trades, like we talked about before, you know. Take your little paper trades every so often. Go, oh, this might work, and see if you can trade a range, right? But don't use your actual hard-earned money if you've never done it before. Just go through it.
Leave it. Hey. Leave it.
Oh,
Sorry.
Brian sausages.
Ryan shouting his dog again.
What colour sausage is it?
Fucking bold and white like him.
There's one of those dapples, but she's a bit sick.
Oh.
Got a bit of a cough, like you.
Come on, Goldie. Get down, boy.
Who took the Asian lows? Anyone?
Nope.
Yes.
How much did you stop being? 25 pips. What?
It's right to support as well.
For it.
Was that where it was going to go to, huh?
Yeah, you might be able to squeeze 17, 18, 20, something like that. To be honest, you shouldn't be trading at all if you can't wait. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I had to stop myself buying gold.
But it is a good. I mean, even though it's annoying to wait, if you actually think about it in terms of probabilities, if you know, in like something like a roulette or something, you'll always just keep on playing. But it's silly, especially when the odds are against you. Just leave it alone. And also ask for two things as well. Even if you take a trade and it's not in a nice zone, and then you lose it, what can potentially happen, especially when you're new, is you might revenge trade, and then that goes to over trading. So it stops the habit of blowing your account as well, just leaving the zone until a proper setup comes. Because even if it works, you know it was a dodgy setup. Whereas if you just don't take it at all, you never get that feeling of, oh man, I took that trade and I really shouldn't have, and now I'm down for the day, and I shouldn't have even taken it at all, and everyone's sitting here happy with their no trades. So you've got to be disciplined enough to just go, yeah, there's nothing here. Wait until there is.
Du-du-du-du.
Gold TP is 1644. Yeah, might be able to get there.
Fucking look at GU Max.
Bad.
Like it's robotic. On the 15.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at them,
Whoa.
them last 6 candles.
Yeah, that's nasty. Nasty.
It's a real clean break though, from Asian lows.
Mm.
Something's going on.
Just they're waiting for something. They're probably waiting. I mean, for GJ, it's probably waiting for Sunak to talk, isn't it? Has he done anything yet? Has he said anything? What's his? What
He'll
waffle
have
is
to
he?
go see Charlie, won't he?
Charlie's giving out. I'm fucking sick of it. He's also probably a big fat racist as well. He's like fucking. He could
Did
not
you
give
hear
a
what
less of a
Charlie
fuck.
said when Liz Truss came? He said, "Oh no, you're not here again," or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's gonna say for him. It's gonna be interesting because, you know, most older people like that are pretty racist, unfortunately.
Or not, as the
His dad was. His dad was the best, wasn't he?
Well, yeah, normally you take off your dad, right? So he will be a little bit of a racist inside. So it'll be funny to see his reaction when they shake hands.
I hope as Rishi's leaving, Prince Charles says, "Thank you, come again."
Oh my God.
When Boris Johnson was there as a kind of caretaker
Piss my
prime
pants.
minister of a zombie government. So beyond the circus, profound concern, I know, around the country about a desire to see a government that works.
Yeah, and
Well,
we had
just
these new figures
a
in
government that actually does the job would
the
be nice.
value pasta up by 60% in the last year. Vegetable oil bottle of that up by 60%. People watching know that. Only
Yeah, I was in Asda, yes, on Sunday. Holy shit. It's expensive. Everything. I was wondering, pack of sausages for like £3. I'm like, what? So it is bad. Recently, it's gonna not be good for some people.
Yeah, we're in the middle of the cost of living crisis, and Max is spunking 50k up the wall.
Fuck, 72 bags. Oh.
Yeah, but you got to minus a bit for under, you know, this and that. He bought a car, bought a house. He's almost excuses, but fucking 52 grand on fucking food. You fat.
Not 52, 72.
Nah, 72, yeah, but 20 grand was for a house.
Okay, that's right. 20 is for house. Then 50 on KFC.
Could have bought 3 houses.
Come on, 3, yeah.
10 grand of that was on McDonald's.
3 houses. There's another 1,400 quid a month, 1,500 quid-ish.
Yeah.
The rest of his life.
Don't you worry, I've had a big reality check. That's why I'm not spending shit.
Residual eating.
Now I'm just gonna starve myself, so I don't have to spend that shit anymore.
Stop.
What was that program? You all what you eat, or what's that?
Yeah.
What's that extra large fucking?
Nah, there's one super size or super skinny.
Yeah.
That's fucking hilarious. And Fat Families was fucking jokes. He used to knock on the door and just go, "You alright, fatty?"
Yeah.
Yes. It's bad.
If that aired today, fuck. Well, you can't say that.
Yeah, the eating out one is a bit shit. I agree. Amazon. How much have I spent on Amazon? Thing is that a lot of them could be tax write-offs. That's okay. Because a lot of the Amazon orders actually have to do with buying equipment and shit. Magic keys giveaways. Fucking how many magic keys are given away? Magic keys, 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 magic keys. Well, like fucking 100 magic keys.
You swear words everywhere.
Oh no, he's a bad man, isn't
Did you say swear words everywhere?
he? It's Finn. Not Finn. Sash.
What? No.
The F word.
Yeah.
Where's Ginger gone?
No, he's bolted.
Oh, he takes his money and runs, eh?
Yeah, he's one of those guys.
Yeah.
He helped build his career and he just fucking shows the middle finger.
Yeah. Give this up, he fucks off.
And tomorrow morning he can fucking trade on his own.
Too right.
And he's from South Africa, so you expect him to swear.
We've got to make an agreement, Brian. Never again will you say you're in a buy when I'm going to sell, alright?
Yeah.
I told you, Goldie had dumped, didn't I?
It's dumping. I don't know if it's gonna break it though. Come on, break
You can literally see the green candle where I closed
it.
on the far.
Down, down, do, do, do. Max, are you done, or are you going to take any trades if the setup comes? If this Goldie closes strongly below, then I'll probably take it, yeah. How much would the stocks be right now? Quite big, but it's okay. Ooh, the 15's closing now. Is that further enough?
GU.
Let's close below, eh?
Jesus.
Did it close in the bottom wick? Oh no, it did. I just don't know if I like the hourly wicks here that I've all rejected. I might wait for the hourly to close below. I think that's going to be reasonable. Hey, it's pushing though. Yeah, so my only cause of concern is that there's 50 minutes left of this hourly and all of these candles are wicked back up. So I'm probably just going to wait for this hourly to close to give me a bit more extra confirmation.
Goldie.
I think that's going to be the best scenario. Okay, GJ, 50-minute close bullish. What do you think about Goldie here, Brian, Sash, everyone?
And I just think it's a messy zone.
Yeah.
100%. I think waiting for the hourly close, we'll probably see if you can break this or not. Like further in this zone would be nice, 1643s and stuff. We'll see. How much minimum do you recommend having savings to quit job and trade forex full time? It's not about how much money you have in the account; it's how much you can make. If you've got £100,000 trading account, but you lose 10% every month, then it's, you know what I mean. It's still not going to be the best. If you've got a £10,000 account and you make 30%, 40% gain a month, then it's probably going to be better. But you just do some common sense, right? If you go in full-time trading, you got to be making more, like I don't know, 2-3 times more than your normal job, because then you have a little buffer. Do that for a while, and then leave it. Just don't be a fool and go, oh, I'm going to do it with £5,000 and I'm going to make 40% a month when you haven't.
Max, what do you think about the 5 minute on EJ? I'm not too sure if it's creating some sort of pattern. If it's going to close above that slight support.
It could make maybe a little W later on.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Might be waiting for that.
The wicks are a little bit shit though, don't you think? In terms of price action.
Yeah, it needs something to close back up.
But it'll be
147 now, I'm thinking.
Yeah. And it'd be swooping the Asian lows as well, so it could be alright, yeah. Wait for the fives. The only issue is, can you see here, like the fives aren't, like it's broke the previous low. These
Yeah,
candles.
right.
So if you're basing a whole trade, and if you're getting in like here and your stop loss is there, and you're basing your whole trade on candles, and the candles haven't been respected, then your stop ain't too safe. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna sell from 51. Very nice. Very nice. So we'll see how it reacts to this level, 1645. See how the 30 in the hourly close. If it closes above, then I'm just gonna leave it. See later on. Maybe when I do my yoga, I'll see it close back below. Looks like a no touchy pattern. How to fix Asian low and high indicator. Asian range Nico 948. Go in indicators here and type it in. Asian range Nico 948. That's a big percentage of people that got stuck in that zone yesterday. 27%. Third. Damn.
What's the definition of stuck in the zone?
In this area here. I asked if they got stuck in here.
So what do you mean by stuck in there?
As in took an L or took a horrendous, took a fucking hard trade in the zone. You had to cut it.
Anyone looking at buying gold?
Nope.
Nope.
Because it could break, right? And then you're going to get a nice clean push. So it's... But, I mean, if you think that the support holds and you get some confirmations, go for it. See what I mean, though? So this is a great example of where the 15-minute may have closed below or closed very, very close to being below. People might be looking to take the sells. But if you know that it's a very, very strong support, then it's probably best to wait for the hourly to close, right? Because that's more confirmation. Also the 30-minute, because the 30-minute and the hourly haven't closed, which is a stronger candle because it's obviously a higher time frame. So if you're in any doubt of a zone and you go, oh, the 15's closed, I'm going to take it. If you're in any doubt of the zone and the support, then just wait for the next candle. Wait for the 30 minutes to close. Wait for the hourly to close. Give you that extra confirmation. And normally it avoids you getting faked out like it's just going to probably do now. Okay. Well, that buy would have been nice, Stevie boy.
It's 1-to-1.
That was always that was an issue that I had at the start, 100%. Like trying to take a trade based on the 15 close, knowing that the 30 in the hourly and the 4 hour looks shit, and then you get slapped. You're like, oh man, I was rushing too into it. If you know it's a hard zone, just wait for the closures, the higher time frame closures. Max, what do you think about other gold pairs? Some of them have a really nice structure, like gold GBP. I didn't even know that, to be honest. People trade that shit. Nice. Yeah, it'll probably be the same, eh? For me, though, adding more pairs is... I think I've realized, especially with the group, is adding more pairs is just more effort. And then why don't you just master, like, the two that you're using, right? Because we've just... In the past 2-3 months, we've discussed so many different, areas to improve on. For example, the 5-minute gold trend line strategy, the M formations, the W formations, the retest entries, the OBs... So instead of focusing on another pair, why don't you just master one or two of them? There's enough trades in it, so. Whereas if you're going back to scratch and adding a completely new one.
Frustrated.
What? Trying a new pair?
I tried doing it as you teach, where I just stuck with GJ and gold, but then the other month when GJ was absolute shite,
yeah,
I started looking about.
Yeah, that's fair. Nom 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 nom. Oh, Richie Sunak is already glitching. What was that on? Was that on? Was that on Banter FC? No. Arch. What has he done?
Day out to deliver for the British people.
Oh my god. There's already memes of Richie. God. What do you think, buy GJ when this candle flips? Yeah, I mean, yeah, could be decent. I mean, the only thing is the zone is pretty shit. So, in terms of the price action to the left, you see it's rejected here like 4 times, 5 times. So, if this was clean, so like, let's just sack all this off. If this was clean like that, I'm gonna get rid of that one as well. It's just maybe like one bearish candle like this. Then I think we'd all agree. Brian, would you agree that you'd be more interested
when it comes down? Yeah.
Well, yeah, because like now if this comes up, it's got a clean zone to fill there.
Yeah, because it's also failing and it's gonna go up to clean.
Yeah, but here it's just cack.
Ah.
So yeah, nice rejection though, nice little lower wick. So it could be alright, but for me it's just the zone, man. Ooh, Goldie. Goldie coming back down. 5 minutes left for this closure. We may just do it in this candle. Interesting. It's a nice low. It's a nice top wick though. How much would your stops be? 16 pips. How much would it be on the break of the current low? 19. That could be a little impulse. Nice rejection. I think if I had more confidence in the way it was moving, I'd be nice. To be fair, the candles before I've been moving quite nicely, so it's not bad. But it is 4 minutes left for the hourly, so I'm just gonna wait for this hourly. If I miss it, that's tough shit.
I wanted to close bullish so we can get the salary.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? What a nice rejection candle. I know some people will be going for it though, so good luck. You could just try and get a little bit, couple pips after a break of the low. Just go break even. Hopefully it holds it and then breaks the low, and then I'll probably take the celery as well. If the 30 hourly close strong, but it still looks like it's holding at the moment. Everyone was getting tempted there. You tell that 5 minute closure was pretty cheeky, eh? Good rejection. That was a nice retest there as well, actually. Fuck. Did you get the retest, Bri?
No, I'm not in. I'm
Thinking maybe you might have swooped it.
Myself in session, I'm playing a online game of chess here.
Oh,
it's very intense.
And he thought it would be a fucking walk in the park. And I said to him, I've never played a game before.
Guys, go with fuck.
I lied.
I
can tell.
That's great.
God damn. Charles is so cocky. We're like, fuck it.
He's like, thinks he could have a quick 2 or 3 games at chess. He's like, I ain't no rookie boy.
That's great.
Let's have a look.
I gave my brother a good game actually, and he's a great player, so I'm pretty good at it. It's hot. Do you have time though? Do you have a time limit?
It's 30 minutes.
Okay. It's much
There's no
more
like
than
you
a
can
normal.
play like Blitz, where it's like you've got a certain amount of.
Yeah.
So every turn you got like 10 seconds or 15 seconds, whatever.
That's when it's mad. Like when the chess players do that and they've got like fucking seconds to react. Ridiculous.
Think so much.
That's mad. Some people are just built different. Closing in a minute's time, looking like it ain't gonna close anywhere near. We'll see though. Come on, push down, boy. If the 50-minute candle closes like this on gold, it's okay to sell, but first wait for the top wick. I wouldn't say it's amazing to sell. It's got to close probably below this. Can you see this was previous support there? It's got to close at least below there. Then you could have a decent opportunity. The one thing I want it to close below is this fucking level here. Oh, we're coming again. 35 seconds left. Oh. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, it's closed. Hopefully we can make a nice top wick first. I need it to make a top wick in the hourly first before I get in, so hopefully you can do that. It's closed nice. It's a nice salary play, so I will be looking to take this. Make a top wick first, please. So the reason why I want to make a top wick, guys, is because it's the start of the hourly. There we go. So the hourly's closed below. Nice. So I'm gonna have a sell stop on the previous candle, I think. If it breaks that 50-minute high, though, it hasn't done it yet. But if it breaks that 50-minute high, I'm gonna leave it.
I had you trapped there for a second, you know shit. Ready, you were ripe and ready for fisting, eh? Fuck.
Do you know what, guys? I'm gonna stay out of this.
The gold.
Yeah. It did. The hourly didn't close below. Can you see? The hourly just didn't close below.
Yeah, but the problem is that support is either on the 1H at 1644, it's either at 851, it's either at it's either at 1646. There's 1, 2, 3 possibilities there. You could refine it on the 30, but yeah, no, I don't. It's clean to go. It's just a rejection area for me.
Yeah, 100%. I look at the 4 hours, man. Yeah, there's no point wasting your bullets. No point wasting. So I've deleted my sell stop here. If it runs great, but I'm a bit cautious with this 4 hour, the rejection wicks. I mean, how many times has it rejected this level? Like fucking 4 times there, loads of times here. It's not a nice area, unfortunately. Better sells below 1643, in my opinion. Below here. How does that look on the 30? Yeah, that's much further down. Yeah, that's nicer. 100%.
Eventual.
1643.
Yes.
It's your turn, man. It's your turn.
You bad,
You bad.
EJ looks like cack. GJ looks like cack. Goldie at that very, very hard level to trade. Even if you got to the next 4 hour support on that trade, it's 9 pips away. So it's not worth it. If you wait below 1643 though, you'd be below the 4 hour support, so
It's holding that 30.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. 299 viewers and only 82 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Showed you how to be careful with your zones. It's very, very important. This is when you get trapped, when you're not really, fully consistent with trading these trades. Where sometimes you just got to go, you know what? It's not even worth my bullet. Not even worth it. Higher time frames are showing me concerns, and obviously a much stronger time frame. So you've got to listen to the higher time frames.
Oh, that was actually good, eh? I didn't think of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. That's a fuck up.
I love that Maxi Princess. So yeah, I think I might leave it off over here, guys. Pretty happy with today how it went though. There was wasn't much going on really. I mean, the only thing I could see is maybe the GJ sells at 6:30 in the morning. Here, disclosure below. That was okay, but apart from that, there wasn't too much really. So yeah, be disciplined. Make sure to stay safe. Don't be wasting your bullets in this. Wait until it gets nice again, then you can waste your bullets. Bam, bam, bam.
Bam, bam, bam.
Cool.
Cool, wicked. So, yeah, for later on, gold below 1643. GJ, fucking no idea. Below 167529.
DJ is a trap, bro.
Yeah.
Look at those fucking candles. Support, resistance, resistance.
Yeah, man. So it's just one of them starts of the week, but as long as you stay disciplined with it, it should be good. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Simulation, obviously at 2 o'clock today, so we'll try that. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos. Thank you. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and we'll see you guys later, man. Take care. Peace out. And yeah, adios, amigos.